happen, coming into Bejang, Namusobe Gambia, maybe until a Coleman law back, maybe until a Kadi Coleman Sonea back, or maybe Kadi Sonea, but do Coleman Sonea back, and bills also the Janga Kuja master responsibilities and take care. Paparenga Muso Stojana, but Mama Breaking, but Mantra Kakai back, so nothing gonna any capacity be nyam franka mako wala nyama then at a friends also to jambia jana mu oh ye kari jele akema nyinne ka a self-follow jana a bunjamba lo jana be dendiko kia be cool kia so isa je defana na muso nyin ala expectation so kana be siala that nalbe diamo la be nyin kan muntu bale be nyin kala ye kari jele nyinne ka kari jele so because at that point it don't akun kono le papare. So ite amera ite la juberu kuolto yo kuol ike jele bang happening in diaspora football ko.
Yeah, baraka wage sengor ning ika nyimin foda siva min fon belar na tablo kan dan siada.
Yeah,
because talk about this kind of issues miliano babe funding fudula la diaspora funding jol mil be jane mil be so first muso nin chol be nyande kam min understand futuo manke material things manke nafulo futuo kono la ka mala ni doron bar futuo la kontano anum futuo la dia amantara dendin dunia fengola ni wala mol be jele miliyalan ko fengo fengi dafta la baluwo kono nin ko dole ka soto dunia fengola ka soto de kan hafi yet ibe futuo kono la but ila futuo nyin is like a hell abeko le jahannam content because footwo ya understand nyaming wole kete mari la footwo dia ani ye footwo misunderstand nyaming wala ka problem wona di la footwo kon ni kewo hani na dino do kewo ke ila muso ika mara ila fanko la yarala to the best of your ability o manya na kasoto ala muso e bata bari muso fana ni ke mari ike ma masoto ika na fella ike ma kan amam minno anin diaspora fenkilimbe jang su konon ko la ka moja ma batandi bake wala mentality min be molbul as long as ibe Europe inyanda ka ko do sodole ibe firindin ko do be bul
yeah
anu there are certain people daga on nane nga fonna video do molbe Europe janne min ya lan ko they are living here molbe push nyoro la Gambia wala firinteti
yeah
so nite kema be situation do kono musalo fe nana commenta fonko do la milka ko ha mala do be je buga fenki la musole for 50 euros say mala oninga yalo na la situation be nyame mbo because be jen say morom ten woldun tan yola Europe janne but 8 years now they are still in the campus ibe campolo kono e man kaito soto
yeah
and si kamindi wala is not up to 100 euros Italy German 350 what 350 of one itala boss jo anila balwol ni la ku katonu anila haji dol miliyalan ko do la ko solve Europe imo wol fon solve no wala so nuwa mari ka fambala ka 50 euro bondi wala ka kila musoe woto mari ka katale kam mi ala ngela salary man $2000 ni akema be do ko le mi ala ko ababulle hanna e million la kala musoe every day anyande ka kile mo mucce wala responsibility ledi but so fana table ni ka yo ke baba tan dilal so wo 50 euro dol beje it dile campo menge 45 euros per month ko le dun tol so ni wo mari ka 50 euro ki ala muso wota ka rabara bo so do dula dole to and wo manke every day manam foga understand dol beje ka ala 6 months imam fenkino la muso liye dol beje ba ma ñol fon ka sasale ibe so kono ata imam boro fansa no la mero liye amanke man la fi ka kede and wo depression o minga mari kan depression o ko ko mo muso le mi be so kono ya understand fen depression o ma wala maran kan malon kan mi alon ko ala responsibility rise so kono ala nyanda ka minta mande akle nyanda ka solve ama keno ya wo depression wo ni ku ya min kala fon ni tol kan janga siada bakele so mbe bari muso dan la min ya understand momo ikema ani do kema etara Europe o ma itandi ko ila sotolu kanyantale han suwo kono ngajele molbe jele min yalla ngol na sotolu warta nyoti suwo kono this applies to mini be tuwa budu jang so woro bare muso ning fang ni ba fudu ga imanya na kike modu mi alanko ila kacha ita kam na soto ila fudu kono ani buka mun soto amanya na kasiya because modo luka fo ko e kam min soto ila fudu kono yina na ka jibe welcome min fo 99% of them am fakelet amanga to
That's true. Yeah.
mala buga andu fa ka fudu George Bantala Africa bari musol nim broda sol belam nyanta kan da hawala because ite minketa kontan indi ila muso nenga yake asike no ni domor jamata bite lumina uluni taka kontan because nyomi gol asike ila muso
evento ngela
nga example
bari yemo so domoro di adam dole bakela buna go ahead.
No problem but yade asike no wala kete kontan but asike no nte namuso ning maybe a smile tam fele wala I am promote wala kan happy so wol kewol la contano minke contani mankili ni mu example rek andu musol fana minke contane mu dol beje la musol pare wala diata woli man dol beje wala musol il afta future plan la dol beje wala musol minke contane emotional attachment wala ko contane ndi so mo ngende kalo ila muso mu ne diata e ani ke ma mu ne diata e then you will have a happy marriage kodo wo mulla bangolati because ni aji ben nanyol ni mbaba nyolu jama beje woli ela nyanta mul ko nin samana da jiyo ka dungi la bunkan wala nin sama be keri ka sile fo sama ete because when them mo fuare but still e ko tale football ni kono because no football la dunia fengo kan so as long as ndenga football la dunia fengo la kan we will never be happy so wala mu advice in samindino barum so la nimbrora sol be in this aspect.
Thank you. So man, I'm telling you, man, you need to have a TV show on GRTS or maybe QTV. You need to do that because it's very enlightening. Even Londo distribute which is very vital to me. So, but another $1 football doll yalonga male coming irebe futuro irebe jang musobe Gambia. But sign tol mun dambal be nyokan jang. E ka football doll jele, sometimes kening musola earning capacity manke client. So nka jele nga jele modole a post kunung ko ite you make $37,000 but a year, but the woman makes $300,000 a year. So the woman makes way more than the man. So, and as a man, it is a responsibility benyam. And I subscribe to the fact until the belief system benyaming, ninga muso nating asindi, even though I make way less money than the woman, it's my responsibility to take care of the musola kodo mala kodolti, ntela kodo muntola kodo. I need to take care of the family with the limited resources I have, but nakeda ko muso lafta makoro kala sa kenon nte volunteer belief system, but it's not obligatory on musoning. So itela jibe roto and itela londo that nyaming. Do you believe in that situation, the woman should the woman be helping or the man is the man's responsibility regardless of muso makes more money?
Wo is very simple, very indolu muslim.
Yeah.
And musol ninchawolu kewo ke hanila muso ka million la soto ete ka kemele soto. Ila responsibility lam wo muso la baluo na la ladula anala sabati dulali itile nyanda ka provide. Ala le wofo ntemo wofo ala fawlo ardi jallu kawamuna ala nisai. Ala ko kewol le ka maral lati musolu kan. Andu maralla kila la hadiso na min ko maralla alikiyama ite singo wudule imenyinin kayra maral fengola sain wodo ina chawla responsibility la muso kabri ala ite ke maralla de muso kam so muso kam min sodo ala kododo muso la hakilo nyanda kaje ko min ko nke ma ko ro nitle andu nyanda ka ma ko le example be min dile na annabi mbafon ala nomo nyofolo na Khadija radiyallahu anha kabrin kila ya fudu sallallahu alaihi wasallam ala na flow na ala everything basically ya diala atele fanka ma ya bata rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam wolumala because munem atemu business woman and she is very popular and from a very rich family. So ala nafulo siga ayadi kilala. But oma itandi ko annabiyemo still a responsibility meant as a husband ayo tujele because kodolo bala musobu. So woro keo nyanda kami understand ila muso 100 million la babulu. Ite nyanda ila responsibility lan ko muso ka marala kala neutral ke provider ila fanko la yarala ma minno mofo bari ye fengo fenno bari anum fanan muso nyanda ka ke mama ko le to be an example because nka lonnalu ka moyele ika fa sinya jama ni muso liye be mulun nya kadija la fuduwol te batala ni muso be ke example amanke ibe million so le ne ke mama ko but hanni ike ma ka million so de muso fana ite ka talala so ilo o tala nyande ka transo bondi je ke mama ko ka kano yitandi anin ka contribute to the family the development of the family anin family la ko be sone ala nyame ite muso e kew ma ko wala but there is a point in ngani example min di nakadi yala nafulo be di kilala aya marandal hanna sula transula ataka kilala nyini ka sallallahu alaihi wasallam mo jama ko nka fo le pour muso liyo okay ya jele but saying there is a question in this point nin nakadi yala kodo di kilala sallallahu alaihi wasallam aya mar hanna sula transula jaka kilala nyini ka say ke jellebe ila muso lo kodo marannola ko kila en na kadija la kodo mara nyame ayatara kon fiyake je iman tajiranti yake je iman ta banta yeta musudol fiyaje ni bo la kala wodo musola kodo itama disapra ya dila but ni kodo use la family la development wala musola mako ani family ke fongo mako alla family be beti ala nyame den muso banyanda kala ka nyantoloti ay cew mako kala na flo diar ni ngata cew de kala tinyar lati because cew dol ka nyim fole muso kodo be bule buka cewul mako e bar muso ala kodo dila sina clean a famo bota kalama ko o kodo yolo yusita ni sungu nu dara fi ala banda yamra sama be confidence la ka kodo dila wa
not at all no
ko muso lu nyanda ka cewul fanan ta fole but so ka ko kun fa rek kana je jam fandi wala ke wo ke hani le muso kam million la soto ila responsibility la mu kalu wo muso la ko la yeah,
but also nga football do fananji jang muni alon ko muso nying na alon ko atella na flow siata kenyinti ikatale up to a certain point muni alon ko itol kala fila suo kono la kea kurto nyin dunnale instead of ke mal allow pour que responsibility sa ikajele everything they're doing because it all fair in Kemal and responsible and in cold bill, but in Teleba make it come. So I might as well be the head of the household. But alala the law of nature when having the husband, the wife, and the kids, so work a change that to having the wife, the husband, and the kids now. So and work at Yabati Jamana, the Jamal BJ, Europe or America. Ika batayla football kono nyami because ila musol kana flow make musol mu yalon ko itol man nyin la ko itol bi bo be kala then after ke my up in the process ka ko ki du dara nyin tam fentif amanta do ko la amanta fenso to kan ndere family nyin to kan and they start saying that to their friends coming to for nyami ko wo bi amo man na ila household ko be nyami man na ka dara outside. So, but no call for and they are happening, and it causes problems up to a process like Kenyan Katalo up to a certain point. Like sometimes I can just work on the called as a reply fuller so can buka hanika because I go minta diamu I've been in diamu card let's check so the hangila so you can cage ala kea nyinka jisu kono musoni yeke kete so kono. So have you seen scenarios like that happen in the diaspora?
Yeah, now we'll jele mini alango amanki kilingi amanki fuladi. Yo, first mba start la mina wala musu. Ani tele nyara dunia musu libedi, tele firinta dunia musu libedi. Kabiri ukang ilo futu wonyin kono kawo mo chawala tati. Kawo manga musu tati.
Yeah.
Chawo moke, ite moke, alale woke.
Yeah.
Because kawo di chawala. Hani futu wonaba banna kawo chawala musu waka demand. Chawaya pam I valid but football bongo fon kango be chawle bulokon So muso mi yalan ko itila soto warde kema di kan nganya kema ka ka yanda kema kan nsa foye ko kan muso be yanda ka kema ka akema man dar happy anu na dino muso le yalan ko kema man dar content ila kuro ite muso ka batoli mi be ka sakila bu ka muta anu ni fara ko ne mele fet long fo ni cewo dunya te ma wato min yo na flo dum muso le si haklo tuje baka ka tinyaro ke baka anu comme musalo fi hanni atara nteni na muso be fudu wala na muso le soto mbulo wartanti musalo fe ka je han gambia fon muso doli ka business ke te la soto ka ware ke mawul mutti tallete wallahi ke mawul capital wala drive wala mudi bari te le sen soto se bo warta muso e cewolde hewo ka soto suwo kono musalo be programme o tan ceremony mole na yembe suwo kono yedu ile bungo de koy bari la rido ni nyaata ila ni sira on nyaata annum fa wala ni sande
why it's not nice. Yes.
Oh, okay. Inyanda ka anu amamme ngani sanne wala nke wala nke ko di nke ma fon la ya fo wala ya san because iko fo wol miliye wol the only thing is minke no ye jele ke mala wala ni tare ya fo fon ele ke ko wa ta katula fa yitan le
yeah
wo mo kilun la kana fo go me ke ma hormay ma bunya anu ni ya fo to nyalam so muso the most important thing ite kete fengo fen di yemuna soro inyanda ke ma hormale ya bunya big ite make alala la arjano na kindu wachola so ni te ka ita ni mulla sai ni muso ka be kurto wala fo tinyaro ge ni muso ka be lola kewla palaso do cewe ke muso di always aka problem wala wulu futu woni kono because momo ale lo ni palaso do anu ni muso ka be kele cewda ta kenu la cewde no matter what fengo mune ba bulo kono ay mune sodo mune daraja bala ta kenu la cewde the same things applies nin cewo ka be kala muso di wala nan ndega fogo cewo ke hanni atale muso kam million sono wuli ka do man do men soto yemma yo do man nat ne ya dundi la family kam koy ka katale kada depend muso la soto kam muso nyanda ke ma ko ele bar muso ita fana na soto nuwa yatin ne ka nganye ke ma kam ba fole ko ngo ite man futu wala understand wala ila faith form minti han ni both side either Christianity or Islam abe man so wala abe kawadi cewala futu wala karola so muso ni be futu ga anun tul kam belief tam na wala mi ndiko nanyim balu at the end of the day be balu do so do al kiyama and wo it is connected to nka do ko wala milike jang nka baro wala milike jang especially futu wo ya nim muslimo lo ninko ni futu da rek yele dino talante mo la timmandi sa emira ban salo sumo jaka bondol hijol wol barajo be nyame je futu wo dam mayele dino talante mo timmandi sa nyande ke fanyini kale ite nyanda ko futu wo muta nyaadi ka nganye ke ma kannemba ke ma doya molu nyala lemba wala kele muso tajirante ya molu nyala wala ka kutil mbalo ke muso lemba no yaye ni ko yele dino talante mo timmandi futu la man kan don gondoro e futu la bot ye baro le milike wo futu wo kono bara kendolo ala nyasilan kono aninka ala dunyo nyini ke ma dunyo nyini ke musu ka yande ka nganyandi ka bara yo nyini ngala wala bele dino hafo timman la else e ka baro mi ko fudu ko ni me cheko ni ala man tankala ni fata ko no ala e be yankan ka rasulullah mi ko leare so musol ze haklodu milliard ne la fengola ka ne ka yande ke ma wol kan hana man ke ma wol fon dol fon asatara je wol man tara fudu kan ba ni la hanila family fon hanila merol wala la broda solo la parents solo e ka yande e kam because they have money wo is absolutely wrong and nimmin na mankuto monde nyanda ka katale yo stop because it will never work.
Ga Mr. Damfa ila kumosta ni bag. So one more question is that you futu ko da jending bita the last aspect of the show before me show nyin kumfala. But lafte nyin kala in tolla jang you know mba fula diaspora jang anu ko nyin bita abafuta kan Africa fanane na futu ko do yalo nga fenko nyin male the finance aspect of football like a problem solmonati football kono so when laftale social media impact for you know tolla football to comme muso ibe futuri ke yalbe suwo kono you know I mean not even just social media phones the phone technology the advent of this thing phone problem solmonati football kono isaje musoni ke trasiring salo to you know, moment they bear a telephone, you know, everyone's head is buried on their phones, you know, Nimbe social media be Facebook browse la, do be Facebook browse. You know, instead of them connecting in the house, they are connected with the world instead. You see what I'm saying? So, and it brings problems. I'll book attention. Momo, you probably use all spend 8 hours working. So the next 7 hours, I'll will general lala. But instead of connecting, you connected with the world. You know, you connected with everyone else, your spouse. You understand? So, welcome problem for that because ikajele kudol bije nyanta kala ini kema o ini la muso nyanta kol mu kitala so kono albuka kachano because albenin social media la kono nying Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok abe small janjan kande, and people now feel so connected to that people they should be on those 24/7 rather than taking care of in a marital relationship. So it because kujama le kana tabu kono. So is social media one of those items, many go, we're talking right now?
Yeah, nana diamu to wo fongolele. Mi yalango bari muso dole nyinin karo kala exactly be min ke kan. Akema na buka diamu no ni ngabur non dokolo always akatara funo le bala. Yajele. So after another advice nyinin ga give some little advice nse min dino wala. At the end of the day it works out. Wo media mu problem balti football kono sengor bi nka moy mo la fam my husband kaje my husband's phone is a onion, something like that. Saying chewla wala saying the husband's phones are onions, jabol le mud niale rek inya e ka nyaajelo bondi wala musul la ngol niale rek e ka nyaajelo bondi because
wow, never heard.
Everyone is connected to media, as you said, like musobe connecting in the outside al the million ka ame long fun. Just you met them on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, any other media platform also. Say, iteni wol mi be connect kan wote manto, ini ke mantra connect ka wala iteni wo musol mi be connect kan, ini ila muso mantra connect kan. Inyanda ke fa nyinin ka minna wala mi nyindi ko. Wo mol mi ni be connect kan. At the end of the day, ye muna contribute to your life.
Good question. Yep.
Ani mol ika chewo je msalme funo babula la muso mala password long muso funo babulu chewo mala password long akan doubt when that is happening Allah football one of you or both of you are hiding something. So mune ya sabu muso mi alanko there is nothing muso ni chewo ka min say min tamite bela privacy malam foga understand mi alanko muso ni chewo la ka say they can be in front of each other. Wallace kulo ta fengol bet.
Yeah.
Mune atna mobile will come because there is something going on somewhere. Mi alonga amanya yala nimmo be fengo ke kam nimman correct rek aka subiye solution ni na pour ko fengo nyin cover.
Yeah.
Ni kadara media bala always ini molbe chat kan Facebook wala ini other media platform wala ite ga ko follow media drum. Ite go molel jibe kan eka atrakila. At the end of the day, ila muso wale kema ila emotional media fong emotional feeling no meka so ila muso e minka kano sembentu ya eka fo wala. The only time ite ni ila muso ka access so wale ni kema access so wala when you have intimacy salva al na football karo la wala. But ni na ka jibe at the end of the day alka connect nyame media la alla wo contact fong ka boring because I have a lot of complaints like that. Muna ba boring na because saying feeling no mingal ka so emotional ni dia nyin janal ga futa nyoma wala fongo be janjan kan and no janjan da ga doya nyame every day aka problem ol nat na aga kuya fon muso malum dalila jumala atna nin cew kuyata cew malum dalila jumala atna nin because ni dia sa be bankan altema malam fogam fille
yeah.
So kabri wo connection be bankan aldama la hat kono alla jusol kono ni dia la karola because muso minyande ka kela kori ani kema ni dunda so ye chema direct ye happy your heart start beating you content ko yele muso le je content kema la but say dolla football akata la faka puta an extend ni e kema ja be ko mingo they see normal passing outside wala yele muso je abe ko mingo you see normal passing outside mena kake media because mena you are looking at another girl on media me alango wala ki attract ala parenya and that's 99% of those men in a musol low musol bay Well, because people are showing something revealing to them because of media, and the ito also like bandabad neto. So the nyada suloe, it also about the people are attracted to it.
Yeah.
Because media halalo get away, so haramo bekele fi halalolti. So now they be confused. Musofan and the same thing. Atakatara kedo lel follow kan aka wis coming ko
akema betendenu. Yeah.
But in real life, example, Gambia is a problem. Nigerian movie is making a lot of mistakes in Gambia, problems in Gambia because of Nigerian movie. These people are just trying to sensitize or to kunindi. Understand?
Yeah.
The movie to is romantic. You wish you romantic, but saying. In real life, how many times they are going through divorce?
Yeah.
So this is just a movie that man movie to like cannot perfect in real life. It love football perfect. So need love football on a problem on it movie le better kun kono sign it le portray le football nyanda kala wala nyama exactly. It buga expect sign ko le football kono fongo nyanda ke jele. Problem on the sort jela akadi na fon musodol they start doing ke mawul slap nini fongo sort because of movie I kneel down I know ye I able say
yeah
we hakatu mas because of media really am media understand nyamen ndeka teach a lecture before they use media.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, people need to have lectures before they use media because media be more sambaga nyame. Sometimes it can more jahani in TikTok. Gambia sumulu it can model they act like they are naked on TikTok. Wale it can femol dol ke TikTok. Yeah, jele it can wolbo ke in real life, but in reality is fake.
Absolutely, yeah.
It physically you try to copy those people. You go imitate them. Equal copy coming but say it malango it you are doing something physically and it's real but when copy is fake.
Absolutely, yeah, that's
these
right.
Things that me alango are more affect can so fudu nyomali ya katalon ila fudu because ntani be ngi dia mo mi natende ninga na notification o jibe ten ngana musola message o je sign thing ako nyi lafta dia no matter what han kachabe da mbafule ko yam fama
yeah.
Because my wife will not a first.
Yeah.
Dino, this is what I believe. No more what I believe. My family, my wife, my children first. Because need mo akema esulala wala la muso esulala afa mbotun follow. Tick 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 mbotun follow. Just recently nga complain or receive million ngo akema la muso bute because munem ako muso yeko abudna ndoko la kaya ko ha no do morodina. Muso be telephone bala muso madam no do moro dina muso be telephone bala ay muso anyabita ka abute. So media mu problem oldi so people have to know nyanta kalon nambe media use la nyamen nak yeah no so to go to comment.
Yeah, it these things are happening. It happen come family jamaleto, and with the advent of technology, some of this mbuka ko kacha back to an extent that they are happening and mojama bije ba keep kan jisol kono and abe family soul tinya kan back family soul ne kata daming e mantra kata je because of these media issues, especially Facebook, social media dal abe family jamale janjang tinya kan diaspora kono and amanyen na kala wala nyama dal. So the last part, Ngalo, we've been here for almost an hour, 15 minutes. So just the last